In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow appear on top permission in settings on Samsung Galaxy device. So if you're using a Samsung phone and you want to enable or disable appear on top for any application, this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you're able to turn on or turn off appear on top on your Galaxy device, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Galaxy phone settings like this. On the settings page, you need to scroll down until you get to the app section. Here you'll be taken to all the application you have installed on your Samsung Galaxy device, including the pre-installed application, which is the system application, and your personal application. However, you need to grant a special access to enable appear on top of your device. To do this, all you need to do is click on these three dots at the top right like this, and then select special access. Once you click on special access, locate appear on top, which is the fourth option here, and click on that. Now you want to click on the toggle option on the application. You want to toggle on appear on top on. So let's set the dictionary, then Facebook, find my mobile, just select the application. And once you toggle on this feature, the appear on top for this particular application will be enabled. And to disable appear on top on this particular application, then revoke the permission by disabling this button. There you go. Once you disable all this option on the application, the appear on top on your Samsung Galaxy device will be revoked. So this is how you can easily access the appear on top permission settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.